the people who struggle with visibility, उनका यही thought होता है कि if I'm doing my job and if I'm good at my job, then I'm already I should be promoted.
Visibility is also, I think, important outside the organization.
I think उस case के अंदर visibility then does not just become about ढोल बजाना, but also having barati.
The sponsors are the ones who behind the doors talk about you. In today's world, I think we have to be bold and unapologetic. So,
yeah.
And we have to be very dynamic.
It's not just people on top know who you are. It's also about horizontal, vertical. Matlab people under you should have a good image of you. People over you should have a good image of you. Your peers have to have a good image of you.
When you go to them, one homework आपको अपने ऊपर भी करना होगा कि आप एलिवेटर पे जिस तरह कहते हैं आप वो रेडी रखेंगे. जब आप उनसे मिलने जाएं पहली दफ़ा तो आप बता सकेंगे आप क्या हैं, आपने क्या, आपकी क्या अकम्पलिशमेंट अचीवमेंट्स हैं, एंड देन यू पुट कि यार मैं आया इसलिए हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज़ द प्रोजेक्ट दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू एंड वी नीड योर सपोर्ट. अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स एट आवर वर्क प्लेस वी हैव हर्ड दैट यू आर डूइंग योर वर्क but you're not enough visible, and because of that you cannot be a manager or you cannot become a director, which is your aspiration. So today we have Uzba Anwar with us, who is a thorough professional with more than 12 years of experience. She has worked in multiple multinational organizations and she has taken on roles which are challenging and yet very impactful. So Assalamu alaikum Uzba, and thank you so much for coming. Jaise Uzba bhi, I just mentioned the problems that everyone is facing, not just the beginners but middle management as well. So in your definition, visibility ka matlab kya
hai? To be honest, I think I have also struggled with adapting to be visible in my career. Early on I never thought it was that important. I think somewhere 2-3 years into my career, I had this manager, and in the first meeting when we sat down and we were having a conversation, he said to me, listen, you can't just do your job, you also have to be visible. Or mera career mostly it's been in sales. I've done different roles in sales, so indirect sales, direct sales, trade marketing, consumer marketing, e-com, and now I'm heading the corporate department for Food Panda. And उस ज़माने में like I was in the beginning stages of sales, so I was probably doing direct field-based account management. So unka ek, I'll quote exactly what he said, and it still sticks to me, and I still tell it to people who are working with me or working under me. He used to say, "Usba, एक हाथ से sales करो और दूसरे हाथ से ढोल बजाओ." And I was like, when he initially said that, I was like, I probably was this was 2014, 2015. I was like really young, 10 years ago. And मुझे उस बात का उस वक्त इतना कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, मैं बस हंसी के इन्होंने कैसी बात कर दिया. And उसके बाद that whole year and a half that I worked with him, he would always push me. अच्छा तुमने ये कर लिया, tell people about it. तुमने ये कर लिया, इसका write up लिखो, send it to everyone. And I remember at that point in time, I really hated doing that. कि यार कर तो लिया, मतलब I'm doing my job and I'm doing great and my manager knows, why do I need to make a write up? And थोड़ी सी embarrassment भी होती है, right? मैं क्यों दुनिया को जाके बताऊँ मैंने क्या किया है? And that's normally what people feel, कि a lot of the people who struggle with visibility, उनका यही thought होता है कि if I'm doing my job and if I'm good at my job, then I'm already I should be promoted.
Yeah.
That's why visibility is important, right? So अगर मैं काम कर रही हूँ और अच्छा कर रही हूँ या कर रहा हूँ, तो it will lead to progress and growth. Why do I have to go around ढोल बजाएं?
Yeah, and tell people.
हाँ, and tell people, and normally those performers who are really good at doing what they do don't feel the need, or they feel embarrassed कि अब मेरा क्या काम है कि मैं 10 लोगों को आप बताएं ना. Like they're also looking at the boss, the leader, कि why aren't you making me visible? ये तो आपका काम है, मेरा काम है deliver करना, आपका काम है मेरी visibility बढ़ाना. Yes, of course, it's the leader's job also, but it's a very personal thing as well. Like you can't just bank on someone else to, you know, to make you famous. So fame is something you have to like earn yourself. You know, like it's not something that is handed to you on a silver platter. So that thing I think resonates with me till still today. कि एक हाथ से काम करना है और एक हाथ से ढोल बजाना है.
एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन ढोल बजाना है? लाइक जैसे आपने भी बोला कि आपका मैनेजर यूज्ड टू से यू कि यार अगर ये काम किया है तो गो एंड टेल पीपल व्हाट इम्पैक्ट इट हैज़ क्रिएटेड, राइट अ राइट अप फॉर द लीडर सीनियर लीडरशिप
Senior
के ये
leadership.
चीज़ आपने की है. व्हाट आर द अदर थिंग्स यू नो? सो विजिबिलिटी से मेरा ये भी मतलब है कि अगर हम विजिबिलिटी का एक नॉर्मल मीनिंग देखें ना तो दैट्स लाइक कि आप दिख कैसे रहे हो, किसी की नज़र में आप क्या हो, लाइक
नजरों में आना, दिखना.
Yeah. So
That's
how
what
do you
visibility.
how do you move around in the organization?
So again, that was a very matlab beginning level introduction to visibility for me. Like you know, बहुत मतलब बिल्कुल ही start of my career, somebody's told me visibility create करना है, and that manager is telling me every time you do something, मैं तो लोगों को बता ही रहा हूँ meetings के अंदर, तुम एक राइट अप लिख के उसको क्वांटिफाई करके ईमेल करो. लाइक यू नो, डिपार्टमेंट वाइड लोगों को पता होना चाहिए, एंड इफ इट्स बिग इनफ देन कंपनी वाइड लोगों को पता होना चाहिए. उसके बाद यू नो, देयर इज अ लॉट मोर अराउंड विजिबिलिटी. दैट्स नॉट जस्ट इट. या फाइन सीनियर लीडरशिप के अंदर बार बार आपका लिखना या आपके बॉस का बोलना इज ग्रेट, बट I feel like visibility has to be deeper than that. It's not just people on top know who you are. It's also about horizontal, vertical. Matlab people under you should have a good image of you. People over you should have a good image of you. Your peers have to have a good image of you. And I think us case ke andar visibility then does not just become about dhol bajana, but also having barati. You know what I'm saying? कि ठीक है आप ढोल बजा रहे हो, बट क्या दूसरे भी आपको उतना ही पंप अप करे? माहौल बना हुआ है ढोल बजाने का, या सिर्फ आप ढोल ही बजा रहे हो और बाकी? बिकॉज देन व्हाट हैपेंस इज के द रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल स्टार्ट शनिंग अवे फ्रॉम यू, कि यू नो इनको तो सिर्फ टॉप वाली विजिबिलिटी चाहिए. That is another sentiment that comes in when you're not taking people along for the ride. When you don't have supporters, when you don't have people who are your advocates, that you've worked with. So ये भी एक बड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स किस्म का है, क्योंकि इनिशियल पार्ट्स ऑफ योर करियर में यूर एन इंडिविजुअल परफॉर्मर, एंड मोस्टली इंडिविजुअल परफॉर्मर्स आर लाइक कि ठीक है इन देयर बबल हम ये काम कर रहे हैं, हम अच्छा कर रहे हैं, हमारी प्रमोशन हो जाएगी, हमारे बॉस के साथ हमारी अच्छी जान पहचान है, सो एवरीथिंग इज वर्किंग वेल फॉर अस. Those people, if they don't learn early on that no man is an island, अकेले कुछ नहीं होता. इंडिविजुअल परफॉर्मर को भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट चाहिए होती है, डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स की सपोर्ट चाहिए होती है, पीयर्स की सपोर्ट चाहिए होती है, एजेंडा थ्रू कराने के लिए लीडर्स की सपोर्ट चाहिए होती है. उसके अंदर देन यू नो विजिबिलिटी बिकम्स वेरी डिफरेंट. विजिबिलिटी देन बिकम्स कि अभी कुछ किया भी नहीं है, एंड यू हैव एन आइडिया और यू हैव अ प्रोजेक्ट, एंड यू आर जस्ट गोइंग एंड टेलिंग पीपल कि यार ये मुझे प्रोजेक्ट मिला है, इसके अंदर मैं सोच रहा हूँ या मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं ये कर लूँ, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? टेकिंग यू नो एडवाइस फ्रॉम पीपल, गिविंग देम कंसिस्टेंट फीडबैक कि अच्छा अब ये हो गया, अब आप बताइए सही हुआ, have I done right? So that they're along with the ride.
Achha, so in this case, so I'm very happy that, you know, we have an amazing case study that you have learned through the whole process, and mashallah you're doing great now. So one question that I would ask is, जैसे अभी आपने बोला ना कि you go to people and you seek advice from them.
Yeah.
So that is your mentors, that you go to them and you ask them कि you know मुझे बताएं मैंने ये करना है. So how do you engage that? How you do make yourself enough visible that your mentor takes out time to guide you? And then second, I want to ask about the sponsors. You know, the sponsors are the ones who behind the doors talk about you, that you know if this is a role, then Usba can take it very nicely. If someone says कि नहीं she's not ready for this, they are like no, if you train her she has the potential. So how do you make sure that you have both being visible? So
Yeah.
what do you think about it?
Yeah. So उसके अंदर सी I wouldn't call, there are different relationships that you have in a workplace environment. Having a mentor is a very personal thing. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो mentor आपकी organization में ही हो. you know, and sometimes you have mentors who are in different fields, different organizations. And that's something that I want to also clarify, because a lot of people think कि mentor has to be your boss or mentor has to be a senior leader in your organization. ऐसा नहीं है. Mentors are normally very personal relationships where you think that some person has a certain skill set or a certain personality type that you would like to learn. हो सकता है कि mentor is someone who has a very charismatic personality, is able to rally troops. अब ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो आपके बॉस हों या आपके सीईओ हों या इवन आपके कंपनी के अंदर हो सकता है किसी और कंपनी के अंदर हो, एंड आप उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस से सीखना चाहते हैं हाउ टू ब्रिंग दैट करिज्मा टू योर सेल्फ. आई थिंक विजिबिलिटी is more important on the, when you call that sponsor level is more important. And I think कि देखो कभी कोई बंदा सोचता है कि how do I go to this person and have this conversation, right? मतलब मैं कौन हूँ, मैं इनके पास जाऊँ, उनको बोलूँ अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, मेरा नाम ये है, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, and why would they give me the time of day? I think उसके अंदर you have to be very I think homework करना होना चाहिए. You know, you should have your homework. You should have to be very clear about your objective with interacting with that person. If you have a project, I'll just give you an example. It's not a real life example, but suppose करो कि आपको एक project मिला at work. You're in finance, but that project is basically a culmination of, you know, उसके अंदर सप्लाई चेन का भी इम्पैक्ट आएगा, उसमें कमर्शियल का भी इम्पैक्ट आएगा. वो एक सर्टन डिपार्टमेंट का प्रोजेक्ट है जो आपके लिए नया है, या you've been in that department. You can look around and see कि कौन से ऐसे लीडर्स हैं जिन्होंने वो डिपार्टमेंट हैंडल किया है, या वो रोल्स हैंडल किए हैं, या वो कमर्शियल का कोई लीडर है, या वो कमर्शियल का कोई सीनियर मैनेजर है, या वो सप्लाई चेन का कोई सीनियर मैनेजर है, एंड यू ट्राई टू go to them and involve them in that project. हालांकि वो आपके साथ वो प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टली नहीं कर रहे, बट यू इन्वॉल्व देम कि जी ये मैंने इस टीम के साथ करना है और आपकी इधर एक्सपर्टीज़ है, एंड आई थॉट कि यू कुड गिव मी सम इनसाइट्स और यू कैन सपोर्ट मी, एंड ये जो आपकी टीम है इनको बोलें कि मेरे साथ ये काम करें, इट विल बी वेरी XYZ बेनिफिट्स होंगे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को. सो यू क्रिएट दैट काइंड ऑफ relationship and it has to be a tit for tat, you know.
And one thing also, जैसे अभी आपने कहा ना कि if you go to the sponsors, तो कि जिसको आप चाहते हो कि आप अपना स्पॉन्सर बनाओ, तो आपको उसका थोड़ा होमवर्क करना पड़ेगा, related to work and related to as a person as well. I think when you go to them, one homework आपको अपने ऊपर भी करना होगा कि आप एलिवेटर पे जिस तरह कहते हैं आप वो रेडी रखें कि जब आप उनसे मिलने जाएं पहली दफ़ा तो आप बता सकें कि आप क्या हैं, आपने क्या, आपकी क्या अकम्पलिशमेंट अचीवमेंट्स है, एंड देन यू पुट कि यार मैं आया इसलिए हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज द प्रोजेक्ट दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू एंड वी नीड योर सपोर्ट. And once he obviously mostly आजकल जो हमारे corporate का culture है, everyone is very collaborative and that's how we work, and they will always assign कि आप इस मेरी टीम में ये बंदा जो है वो आपको इस तरह से सपोर्ट कर देगा, ये इस तरह से ये चीज़ को देख रहा है. उसके अंदर थोड़ी सी और चीज़ आती है कि मेरा जो ख्याल है वो ये कि फिर आप उनको आप communicate भी करते रहें with milestones कि this is something we have done, this is the impact that we did, these are the challenges that we face but we overcome this way, so that they know that you are someone who get things done, and you learn along the way, and you just don't bring the challenges, you also inform challenges but you also bring the solutions along with it. So that's also that. अच्छा, one thing जैसे आपने अभी बात की कि mentors usually cannot be inside the organization, बस ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपकी organization में हो, ठीक है. So visibility is also I think important outside the organization. So you never know क्या डायनामिक्स एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के होते हैं, यू नेवर नो व्हाट पर्सनल थिंग्स यू आर गोइंग थ्रू, राइट. सो यू शुड हैव अ विजिबिलिटी वेयर जो काम आप कर रहे हैं, जहाँ जहाँ आपने काम किया है, जो कॉर्पोरेट लोग हैं, दे शुड नो यू, नो पीपल शुड नो यू थ्रू समवन और समहाउ. सो उसमें थोड़ा सा उसके ऊपर लाइट डालें कि हाउ यू कैन मेक योर सेल्फ विजिबल आउटसाइड द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एंड व्हाट लिंक्डइन हेल्प्स, how LinkedIn helps to achieve this.
So two different topics, so I'll cover them differently. I think for people who want to create visibility outside of the organization, it's very important when you're meeting external parties. आपकी कोई external meeting है X company में, आप वहाँ जाके बैठ रहे हैं, तो I see normally, and I guess it's something that we all are attuned to do, हम ना मुद्दे पे पहुँच जाते हैं. Like we're like अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, अच्छा ये मीटिंग है, प्रेजेंटेशन है. We don't tend to take the time to have like that conversation कि अच्छा where did you come from, what have you done, this is where I am coming from, this is what we are doing here, what's going on in your organization, what's the new updates that are happening, and pitching कि अच्छा हमारी organization में भी ऐसा होता है, maybe we can collaborate on this, or we can share some learnings. Those 10 minutes 15 minutes of casual conversation is what we don't do nowadays. I see a lot of people are just like very fast paced. आधे आधे घंटे की मीटिंग्स बुकते हैं, किसी एक्सटर्नल विजिट पे जाएंगे, स्टेक होल्डर्स से मिलने या किसी कोलैबोरेटर से मिलने. सो दे आर जस्ट गोइंग टू बी वेरी दिस and then they're just gonna get up कि हमारी अगली मीटिंग शुरू हो गई है, हमने लंच पे जाना है. They don't want to waste that time having chai and casual banter. And I think that casual banter really helps creating external visibility. Another thing I really think is very important, and maybe a lot of people are doing it, but nowadays, I'm also you can accuse me also of working in many companies, but I think the generation before us used to stay for longer periods in one organization. Now the generation likes to move around a lot, right? And I think in that moving around, it's also about what impression you leave behind. What kind of relationships you had with the people in that organization, even if you were there for a short period of time. Did you make an impression? Did you have good relationships? Did people know of you? When you're leaving, are you leaving on a good note? Have you ethically handed over and kind of like wrapped it up in a neat bow and then moved on, because that also really matters, right? And nowadays, with the fact that people are going from organization to organization, they have a great opportunity to build a greater visibility for themselves in an external network. So I think these 2 points are very important. I think these are the chances that you get to create visibility externally, and you should use them.
And what do you think LinkedIn play role?
So LinkedIn, I think it's a beautiful tool, right? So when I was starting in 2013, there was no such thing as LinkedIn. I remember I just last week had a conversation with someone in our team, and I was telling her, I was like, you guys have LinkedIn. तुम लोग कितनी आसानी है, like you can, if you want to know who is the XYZ manager of XYZ company, you just go on LinkedIn and type. And you can send the person a message, or you can send the person's team a message, and somehow you can get your foot in the door, right? Or you can get a connection. उसमें mutual connections भी दिखाते हैं, first circle, second circle.
But उसके अंदर ये ना उसबा कि like you cannot just go and send a request or send a message. You have to check the temperature. By checking the temperature, I mean is कि how are you doing? So if I message you, ठीक है? So I need to first get to know you a little bit. So if you read my message, you feel like that replying, not just कि hi, I hope you're doing well, blah 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 blah.
No.
You need to check the. Maybe someone is going through something. Maybe someone has a very long day. Those are the things. So उसमें आप क्या suggest करती हैं, किस तरह approach किया जाए?
I've when I was I was heading ecom at Lipton. It was a very new role for me, so I had not done ecom wholly and solely before that, and I literally built the department from ground up, right? So it was a lot of like hypo learning phase where I had to get in touch with a lot of people, find resources, find networks globally to learn what's happening globally in Lipton, also locally. के जो players हैं like Reckitt, L'Oreal, all of these companies who are doing, or Unilever, who's doing really good in e-com, how to learn from them. And of course, मेरे networks limited थे, but that's one time where I literally I wrote a write-up in which I said, I am doing this at Lipton, and I'd want to learn more about XYZ. And if you have some time, maybe we can chat. And this kind of message I dropped to multiple key account managers and operational managers in different companies like Daraz and Reckitt and L'Oreal. And मज़े की बात ये है कि I did not have a lot of hope that people will reply, but कई cases में people replied. And those people replied and they shared their numbers and they wanted to chat, and I chatted with them and they wanted to know what's happening in my case and they wanted to share what's happening in theirs. And कई cases में relevance भी नहीं थी. Do you know what I'm saying? Like you
Yeah.
finally understand, oh अच्छा इनका डिपार्टमेंट तो बिल्कुल डिफरेंटली
Different
ई
तरीके
कॉम
से
करता
काम कर
है,
रहा है.
इनका तो आउटसोर्स्ड है, ये तो सिर्फ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर पूरा कर रहा है, ये खुद कर रहे हैं. एंड वेयर आई वाज बिल्डिंग, बट all of those conversations also helped me understand how things could be different and how to think about things differently, and add those kind of experiences into it. So I think definitely you should have an objective. Again, it's very important to have an objective. क्यों किसी से बात करना चाह रहे हैं, क्या objective है, उनसे क्या gain करना चाह रहे हैं, and then like बी अ बिट ब्रेव. क्या
Yeah.
होगा अगर कोई जवाब नहीं देगा तो क्या होगा, नहीं दिया, वो शायद लिंक्डइन रेगुलर यूज नहीं करते होंगे या उनके पास टाइम नहीं होगा. इट्स फाइन. अना का मसला क्यों बना लेते हैं हम इतना. इट्स ओके.
It's the one point that I wanted to bring. आपने करी दी है वो बात, that in today's world I think we have to be bold and unapologetic. So and we have to be very dynamic. जैसे अभी आपने कहा कि you got that role, you haven't done that before, and then you thought of the ideas that how I can learn from others. You know, that was very brave of you to ask people, right? And that was very dynamic as a leader, that you're ready to learn operations, you're ready to learn how they are running it, how distribution is being done, and all the things that comes together and play the e-com role. So in today's world, either it is very, to be honest, very male dominating leadership, a lot of it's that, but all those leaders want a dynamic personality which is bold and unapologetic. Either it's a female or either it's a male, right? But usually I've seen in my I have worked in different organizations. Sometimes I used to guide my people, you have to be visible, and that's how is, for example, if you're going for a training or you're meeting people or a CEO is doing a session, so ask questions, learn from them, think it like just a normal conversation. But they're very afraid to ask the question. Why? Because they feel like that people will judge us. So और ये एक ऐसा फियर है जो आई थिंक सबके अंदर होता है शुरू में. हमारे अंदर शायद अब थोड़ा सा कम हो गया बिकॉज वी हैव वर्कड लॉन्ग ईयर्स एंड वी हैव मीट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, बट पर्सनालिटी भी वेरी करता है. इवन एक्सट्रोवर्ट्स हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ फियर. सो how do you suggest someone, beginner, middle management, and even the senior leadership, how should they overcome? Because as a senior leader भी आपके अंदर थोड़ा सा fear होता है कि यार मैं इतनी बड़ी टीम को लीड कर रहा हूँ, अगर मैं कोई चीज़ ऐसी करता हूँ तो ये मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे, right? Because they look up to me. So how do you manage?
I honestly have a very different view to this. Okay, I have a very different view because I feel like you again, I'm going to break up your whole statement into very different answers. So the thing where you said कि क्या question पूछे कोई किसी से, like sometimes people are like, I don't want to embarrass myself and ask a stupid question. I feel कि active listening is very important. If you're in a conference, if you're in a seminar, if you're in a meeting, you have to actively listen. It doesn't really have to be, the question will come to you. If you're actively listening, a question will come to you. Now, if the question is not coming to you, I would advise you not to force it. ठीक है. I don't force myself to ask questions where मुझे कोई मतलब मेरे अंदर वो नहीं है. You know what I understand? कुछ लोगों को होता है ना, बस जो कहते हैं इससे तो सवाल पूछना ही है, हर मीटिंग के अंदर इसमें तो कुछ कहना ही है. I think you don't have to, again, it's visibility is also not about raising your hand every time. It's about saying the right thing at the right time. एंड लिसनिंग एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑल्सो, राइट? कि अगर मैंने समझा ही नहीं है कि कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या है और मेरे पास कोई अच्छा सवाल ही नहीं है और मैं फोर्स करके एक सवाल क्रिएट कर रही हूँ जो कि बिल्कुल ही ऑफ टॉपिक है, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो बिकॉज विजिबिलिटी कैन ऑल्सो बी नेगेटिव, right? So I'm creating negative visibility for myself as well.
We'll continue this. Is pe I'll share an example with you. Time magazine mentioned an article where they said that women are the only one who can save the culture in today's world. Yeah. Then there was someone who said there's a lot of burden on women because they shared their example that once they were given a few of the projects and they were asked to be visible in the organization to become senior leaders or directors. After a year and a half, they were said, you're too visible. You're too visible. So how does one manage कि visible भी होना है लेकिन too visible भी नहीं होना? You get it?
Again, वही मैं कहना चाह रही हूँ कि it's in terms of as a personality at your job, you can't just be the person who's talking all the time without active listening is the foundation. I've learned this over time कि आप सवाल पूछें. There will always be people, and I'm coming to your second point now. Okay, you know, मैं कैसे एज अ लीडर मैं कैसे सवाल पूछूं और लोगों को बताऊं कि मुझे नहीं आता. um, for me, humility is very important, right? Uh, you need to you're constantly learning. Learning is a continuous process. जिस दिन आपने सोचा कि मैंने सारी दुनिया का सब इल्म हासिल कर लिया, उस दिन you're dead, right? That is the day that you're in the ground, because it's constantly changing. The cultures are constantly changing. The way we work is constantly changing. People's behaviors are constantly changing. Their attitudes are constantly changing. The work environment is constantly changing. The challenges that come in today post COVID were not even thought of pre COVID, right?
Yeah.
So you should always have that humility, and that's what I practice. If I don't know something, even if it's from a junior, I just go to them and say, acha ye kaise ho raha hai? Like, because you know me, that's kind of a person I am. I need to know exactly how everything fits.
Yeah.
So there are many cases in which I just sit with a junior and go like, tell me how this is done, just to understand the process. Because I feel like if I don't have that humility to ask, how can I lead?
Usba, ek cheez I want to ask. There are multiple cases that people sent me when we decided that we're going to do this. They said that in multiple organizations, there are people talk about visibility. There are people who are only talks, no
Yeah.
work
Yeah.
as such.
Yeah.
But those are the people who are getting promoted. There's an example that there were 2-3 people in one team. There was one individual who was doing all the work in the background and everything. But in the end, at the year-end performance, the other person got the credit and got the, promotion or jo bhi progression planning and all that. Because that was visible. So the people who asked question were that, how do you draw lines? Like, and how do you manage this?
Acha, this is, before I answer this question, I have to bring this in, because it touches upon the example that you've just given or the case you've just shared. If anything that I've learned through my experience in my career is, don't compare. It's really important not to compare your journey to other people's journey. If that person is feeling frustrated because someone else got promoted versus them, it's because they're comparing too hard. Everyone's journeys, skills, abilities are different. And we don't know, I don't know if that person knows 100% कि उस बंदे की promotion सिर्फ visibility के लिए हुई है या किसी और वजह से हुई है. कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि हमें सिर्फ face value पे दिख रहा होता है, ओ ये तो हर वक्त बॉस के साथ चिपका रहता है इसलिए इसकी visibility हो गई. Might be something that person, it might be true कि ऐसा ही है, ठीक है, but why not open the possibilities and think that maybe that person has something in the past, some experience, some project के ऊपर insight, some other thing that they're bringing to the table which has gotten them that promotion.
लेकिन ना, how do you draw the line?
But on the other hand, I think the person who was doing all the work, learning for them, they did not create enough visibility for themselves. They just probably were banking on the fact that they are doing the work and that their manager knows that they're doing
And the
work.
And
the work will speak for itself.
The work will speak for
and
them.
It's the manager's job to promote them. So probably the learning for that person in the future should be, okay, don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Mhm.
If you're working really hard, go and communicate to other people what you're achieving. Don't just bank on your boss
Yeah.
to get you that promotion, because again, you can't even imagine being in a boss's shoes if you're not a boss, right? And you're a boss, right? And you know that your resources are limited, and sometimes you can't choose everyone. Sometimes you have to choose someone.
Yeah.
And in that someone,
Prioritize.
you don't just think about how visible they are. You also, there are many factors that you consider when you're promoting someone. Probably उनका आपके साथ working relationship बहुत अच्छा है. हो सकता है कि वो team को cohesively लेके चलते हो. हो सकता है कि
they think from strategic point of
yeah,
view.
they're a strategic thinker. They're bringing innovative ideas. They are the gel for the team. टीम डायनामिक्स और कल्चर को बेहतर करता है वो बंदा या
And I
बंदी.
think one thing that I've learned is that आपकी टीम में बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जो काम बहुत अच्छा कर रहे होते हैं, तो उनको शायद आप जब कोचिंग कर रहे हो ना एज अ मैनेजर, तो आपको काम पे कोचिंग करने की ज़रूरत इतनी नहीं है जितनी आपको उनको ये सिखाने की ज़रूरत है कि आपने विजिबिलिटी किस तरह क्रिएट
Yeah.
करनी है, बिकॉज यू गो एंड टेल पीपल. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन माई टीम, if I as a manager know that Usba performs really well, but unfortunately I don't have a room for the promotion right
Yeah.
now, and that person deserves. So if he or she has created the visibility, then we can pitch it to some within the organization or
Exactly.
outside the organization as well,
Exactly.
because you always have a circle.
Yeah.
So coaching in the terms of visibility also matters. And also when we talked about LinkedIn, you can also share your accomplishment on the LinkedIn as
Yeah,
well.
yeah, of
And
course.
there is a way to share it कि मतलब मैं सिर्फ ये जाके नहीं कह सकती कि मैंने ये project किया. For example, I did this project at Food Panda, I created this impact. Obviously you cannot share everything within what is going in the organization, but you can share your learnings that I did a project जिसकी nature ये थी, जिसका impact इस तरह से create हुआ है, and these are my learnings. So people know that this is something that you are doing.
Yeah.
So whenever they feel anything that you want to discuss with you, they know someone कि मैंने पढ़ा था, I think उसबा ने लिखा था, उसबा ने ऐसा project किया, तो let me talk to उसबा, या let me talk to Rida, and we can catch up on a coffee and we can learn from each other, and then projects comes up. We have seen multiple examples where people have asked our people, those people, कि यार आप ठीक है, आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, बट क्या हमने एक नया स्टार्टअप शुरू किया है, या हमने ये काम किया, हमें कंसल्टेंसी दे सकते हैं.
Yeah.
And that not just add, to be honest, in your portfolio, but also मतलब आपकी अपनी बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रोथ होती है उसके अंदर, आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट होती है, बिकॉज यू सी थिंग्स नाउ फ्रॉम मैनी परस्पेक्टिव्स, बिकॉज यू
same
हैव अ
thing.
लॉट ऑफ knowledge.
Yeah.
So I think that's also. अच्छा उसबा, so we talked about visibility, what it means, किस तरह से करनी चाहिए, एंड आपने बहुत अच्छे पॉइंट्स को टच किया कि आप अपनी जो आपकी थिंकिंग प्रोसेस है उसको थोड़ी सी डिज़ाइन थिंकिंग में लाएं और उस तरह से आप चीज़ों को थोड़ा सा देखें. So we talked about these things, we talked about knowledge, we talked about hard work, we all talked about stakeholder management in terms of visibility. So what do you think is the most important thing in this matter?
So, one thing that's most important with regards to creating visibility, I think it's a culmination of everything we've talked about, right? If you're doing well, then you should be confident enough to go and speak to other people about what you're doing. If you don't know something, it's okay to ask questions. I think it all summates into being an authentic and confident individual in your everyday life. That's the most important thing for visibility. Agar aap authentic nahi hai na, so you won't be able to keep it up. I guess somewhere or the other you will slip up. So you be yourself and just talk about what you're doing or what you don't know and what you need. If you need support, be very honest and ask for support. Just create good impressions about yourself, and impressions that you can probably continue by being yourself. If you try to be something else, you won't be able to keep it up for long. So I think that's the most important thing. Being authentic.
Thank you so much, Usba. I think personally I have learned a lot from you, and even before the podcast and the podcast for the visibility as well, what are the action items that we can do, and especially what to do and what not to do. And one thing that in the initial you talked about is going out of your comfort zone. Some people are dependent on other people for their visibility, but you have to take the lead, and you have to do what it takes to do it, and that's how, with your work and hard work and your knowledge, that's the only way you can go up the ladder.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Uzma, for coming.
Thank you so much for having me. It was a great conversation. I didn't even know that we were.
Thank you so much.
But it was good.
Thanks
Thank you
a
so
lot.
much.
Thank you, everyone.